Microwave TV.
So I dash in them something now, and me I wash the plate, and I wash the plate, and I wash the plate, and I rewash it. Rewash it, rewash it, rewash it, rewash it. My soap finishing, so I'm going to buy my back some soap. Because my soap done. Oh. So when I did it, one thought jump up in my head. And when the thought jump up in my head, in a sister Winnie, me I said to myself, say, you know, say how wickedness this. You know, say I told, you know, say you have some wicked dirty girl upon the app. And I say some name jump up in my head, and the first name jump up is Annie! Annie. And now I call out the name I want it sound like a tongues. Yeah. Let's say when Annie name jump up, you don't know so the whole of the day can burn up. Me this name me same way because I don't know the way me not used to. Me need to control my spirit, though my spirit knows. Girl, still when Annie name come up. Me have my chicken for God seasoning, you know. I want to eat stewed chicken and fried dumpling today. I feel like me there was a local foreign cook shop. My teeth them a shift, you see, I don't want them bleed, you know. My teeth them a shift, man. Somebody call my dentist because my teeth them a shift. My veneers, I'm going to say my waist strainer, my retainer. My retainer kind of crack. Yeah. Yes, so give me some. This is bread you can beg you, man. The bread, then the ball out the dinner is a thought, you know. Man, you name what me I think. It's just a thought. Then bread is crucial, man. Bread from when you eat. Bread is crucial. You walk on your thoughts. It's just a thought. You start bringing your plate. I went the blood feet. I want to go on me. And you know, so me in my church. Me in my church, and that's the problem. I am a virgin. Touched for no time. I'm a virgin. So when Annie jump up in the head, you know, say, I see some wicked girl. You know, say Annie are wicked. You know, say Martin tell me, say Annie carry Zoe gas station for Aki walk.
Ready.
You come blood clot over
ready. If you up by station, I want
to girl, man, because you know, left from here, man. Drunk for germs. And go ahead. If you want breed, breed. A big woman and a pitney. Oh. Go suck your mama on a chosen one, man. I love people, may your friends see you, but go suck your mama. You understand me?
If you up by station, make them hold him up by station. Come, get one pants so they can hold him up by station if I up them there. No come on.
What?
Now I can walk if in the station, I want the police then I'm on him.
I went do.
Jabba say I go no, me can't tell you upon your son. Me can't tell you your son. They say up by station. Give me a car key. Come, you not drive. Come.
How the blood clot is that?
Yes, man. Come on. What I know? What I care? Tell if you give me one pants. Tell if you give me one pants.
I went to my bomb blood last
come in the car, man.
Only ever come in that car.
Jagger.
What really take place? What really happened?
Me go tell you on phone. If in their station, make them hold him up there now. No. All right time. Come no man.
Left it back here.
Wallace.
And so what? I mean, so what? A crime? Hey, if you have bad money. If you're a bad man, say you.
Oh, you like me?
If you're a bad, hey, move from here, man. I'm going here, come on, man. I look for some bumbo clad. You're sad. You see, look up here, you're sad. You're sad, blood clad. You're looking over the something. Or ball it up. Look at my short ball it over here. Look at ball it catch. No, man, you're over there, man. One juice on matter. Please. Thank you, sitting.
Just play a game and we call him.
I chop it. Alright, man.
So
They know kind of name that at 5 York Street. Only be, oh you know 5 York Street. Oh you know 5 York Street, big crutches only be. Oh only know 5 York Street. I want your blood, I want to come program. Only be, who used to take a 5 York Street? Eh? Only be who you used to take a 5 York Street, copy a bad man used to trot the yard, then only be not tell me say you little tunani used to park gun war. Don't tell me that only be. Only me a focus long time. Oh you mean 5 York Street? I pay a bad man used to occupy that spot of ground. So only be where you talk about now. Come in and make worry. Only be you're supposed to smell like gun angle. Huh? Honeybee, you must smell like gun angle. Me now ask you, Honeybee. What a wickedness. Oh, you know what 5 York Street, but Jesus. Oh, it's the news. Not the powder, the angle. Then you think gun angle smell good? Eh? And a gun powder share sport. Gun angle. And worse, some of them are make out a board. Most of the gun them are homemade. Yeah, so anyways, any them jump up, any carry. There's always gas station for Akiwa. Now ladies and gentlemen, maybe we get down a little bit serious cause me no want spend too much time in on this, you know. You as a mother, because of your carelessness, and I will say because of your carelessness. You understand me? Exactly, Lati. Because of your carelessness and your invitation for a lot of these non-progressive young men, but just want to say it in your favor. These are the choice of words I'm using. These non-progressive young men, you invite them in your personal space. You understand me? To become so friendly with not only you but your children, to the point where you can state a report that they fondled the baby. When you knew this, since an attack as a female, your intuition must tell you because you've been through so much. Remember your brother play with your clit. Remember your brother play with your clit. You understand me? So if you can go through so much, why you invite these men around your daughter? Answer the question. You didn't look Aki walk to? Because if Redan say you didn't flirt with him, anything possibly in your book, were you looking Aki walk? How Aki walk knows so much about the family? How close is Aki walk to the family to the point where you supposed to go report him? With them say your daughter they will do a big man in the town. Come the man, and because you get money from the man. This remind me of one of my family members. Them come the man, Annie. Come. So how you report Aki Walker, you now report the big man. The first thing police for do is lock up you. Aki Walker must go take out a statement against you. Now ask you. Aki Walk must take out a statement against you. File a report against you. You're big and careless. Why you allow your daughter to run from CDA if she's been molested? Answer the question. Why? If them a play with that, why you allow your daughter to run from CDA? Them for lock you up, Annie. If your daughter go through all of this, stop pretending that you don't know.
My mother don't know say Aki Walk and Zoe there. Aki Walk and Zoe is together. I sat down in the car when when Zoe turned to me and said, I don't know what make him a move, so you know. I don't know what make him a move, so I'm just going to stop with him. So I say, what? What is going on here? Me not understand. And you so you're there everywhere. Everywhere you're there. Except where your daughter them there. Where you feel there like literally. Where you feel pay your mind to, you're not pay your mind to. At all. None time. I better say TikTok police come around Zoe too. And nobody can tell me nothing because they're too fucking blind. You see, because me live in that shadow where you have multiple men come out yard. And most of them come even and look at that. You don't even know who them are look because you're so furfur. You're so blinded by man. You can't even see say, yo, this a man in the right somebody if you can't have family, you know. Me not care if no one hate me. I want me see out and me yai them. And nobody feel like say they come out and attack say red and say beat me come out and attack them things here. This been a happen for a long time. These rumors been spreading from a long time ago. You understand me? So me no feel no way. It's just that me have a mother where need fixing, kids need fixing, me need fixing, a lot of things need fixing. And carrying out pan.
Them come for check for your address of your daughter run. Hello. You see, when I too careless and I have a lot of careless following, I always say this, sometimes I get my program until you know, I always say, all of una talk, una for admire who follow una, because some people who follow una are ignorant in some demise when they really fit to know. Answer the question, Annie. Why you report walkie-talkie, Aki Walk? Why you report him and you don't report yourself? When we come on the program and we talk and say, Zoe I take Aki Walk, why you never pay it any mind? Mother great tool. No, for true. Why when we come on my program and we say, Aki Walk, I take Zoe. Why would you never believe me? Why all of this now? Zoe mouth look like it tight. Just asking. You can't know Zoe and a virgin. From your look on her mouth, you know if you're a virgin. If you're I'm in powder way. No, Monday for true. The level of carelessness. Me tell you say Annie is not well enough. Annie could never be somebody we're seeing. Annie could never be a sane individual. A pure mad people. Hold on, let me stop right. Derek, come here. Derek, I'm not telling a lie. From your face to your hole look like teeth mark in a bubble gum. From your face to your hole look like teeth mark in a bubble gum. Derek, your laugh line when everybody have for them own right here. So your laugh line start like teardrops. It start from up in your eye corner. That's how wrinkle take you, Derek. Derek, you want to lay down. If you don't cover your head at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, do kill you. May I tell you the truth? If you not cover your head at 12 o'clock in the afternoon when sun hot, do kill you to how old you be. You're not baby vampire, you know? You are not baby vampire. You're older than Spanish Town and cup. And you want to come about me. Derek, if you need to have a roof over your head and window, I wouldn't see you. But the park hates you. The park eat you, Derek. Everywhere you go, you draw your body pan park bench. You need to go relax in our clinic now. A nursing home and not by your face. A nursing home and not by your face, Derek. You all of your mouth go home. You're a corpse. You're a corpse walking around. It's just a dirty corpse. Walking around. Yeah? No, I have to answer my grandmother. My granny get too out of order like she not take her insulin. Derek not take her insulin. Derek look diabetic. Yeah. Derek look diabetic. Derek your laugh line start. You see your laugh line and everybody have for them right there. So you're when they're up here so you laugh from. Yeah. Right up this to all wrinkle have you. Derek all up here and everything shrivel. And we are talking about that, Derek. Go find back your teeth out of Andrew Batty. You should never eat the dead youth. Yeah, your eye crease. Yeah, you're outside the Derek when dear Dew kill you. You're the only one misses sneeze when 12 o'clock. Them said Dew start fall 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And you're the only one who put on cap in a sonata. You're not shield your vision. Derek, you're not shield your vision. The same way you use the lip and feel for wood. And so you use your hand and feel your way for the park. And we are talking about Derek. You know you're older than stone. Yeah, combo, me no combo, me done chat you already. Yeah, Asian days is just when you must start boy, you're old lady, you never make it. You're the one with boss Batty. You are the one who bring Batty in Jamaica, you still never make it, Derek. You don't even have a vroom vroom. You don't even have a bicycle with a reflector light. Yeah, you don't even have that. Yeah, how did we get here? I just remember me see one video where you did send me with Derek a class, my Martin. And you send me the video, you know, I tell you stop sending me so much something because I can't keep up. Well, anyway, Derek, you're still my granny, I just have to tell you that this is your granddaughter when I like you. Yeah, you know, sometimes you have your granny, and you don't like your granny, so when you pink party where you did it yesterday, me I wish you happy birthday. Oh, you mean I know how you have birthday and no cake. No cake. Don't to shade the house, did have light around into the ceiling. I don't know if a lizard that take up this of a shade. Yeah. But she had the running light. She the place favor out here. Sometimes I for wonder if she really there foreign or she and queening. Book white ear behind her hide. I that my thing couldn't allow me. Yeah. But back to Annie now. Back to Annie, because she come about me last night and I not look pan she because she forgot to talk to Jaden who done you for kill. Oh, me for come suck you, she. Go put some oil in a Jaden crease them. Jaden head me glow white like a heel back. Jaden head me glow white like a heel back, she. Me not ask you, like Jaden bleaching cream then ear root. Yeah, him ear one scratch. And them something for talk about. And them something you can imagine you drive with Jaden and the window down and then you fly in your eye. You have to drive with Jaden in your glasses. Yeah, your friend here want to wash. Yeah. Shay, what you mean scratch it for him? What you mean scratch it for him? Are your friend, are your buddy, are your thieving partner? And your friend when you not tell so when you mean the tight jeans, it him knee cup I get foreign. A first pants me say a foreign. Yeah. Him knee cup buff up in pants jeans. No for sure. Now ask you Shay. On if you know the limit. On a little bit of sassarous. Yeah. No, on the limit. Don't forget that somebody did something for pull up the stand for them because we are come to Annie. She Annie wicked. She Annie wicked like you. She remind me of you. Yeah, Annie remind me of you.
He didn't walk me down no stairs.
He didn't walk me down those stairs.
Boys who wouldn't care.
And this Barbara and Chantal go sing. I want to ask a question. I want to ask something very important. When they can't spit pan Anna and Redance, how them come a beg? Where them a beg for? Where Anna and Redance really a beg for? Now why did them take TikTok money go at Airbnb and never know say Wilbert did I go on vacation?
My fault. My fault. My fault. My baby get take me. My fault. My fault. My baby get take me. My fault. My baby get take me. Now happy now. Now happy on the riches of my soul. My fault. Now happy now. They can't leave me alone. No, please leave me alone. No, I wanna get on. Go on. No, go on. Go on. Oh my fault. Go on. Go on now, nigga, go on, go on, go on, man, go on. Nigga, don't want, brother, go on. I know the rejoice over something like fucking me don't sleep side of me, but man, me not stop doing the side of me can't control how me feel. You know, from when me I keep myself stable, how I'm to the man, see when I get one who come off of my life right now. Please, man, please. I don't understand. Come over here, so I'm come over here, so I'm
Oh, stop it, man. I'm looking early for the trip.
I'm asleep. I'm asleep. Yeah.
And she tell Zoe to run police to hold on from Zoe and call CDA. Cause Annie tell Zoe to run from CDA. Police when Annie carry we can't take the dirty name, you know. When Annie carry Zoe go down to CDA, go down to the police station, police should have hold on from Annie, lock up Annie and hold Zoe till CDA come. For sure, use one stone kill two birds.
So when them come yesterday, my daughter did scared when them come. Because everybody has a CD I go take her away, CD I go take her away. You understand what I say? And at first, yeah, when she spot them, she run. And we go call her. And them tell her, say, come man, we not do you nothing. And she come back. Me not wrong her. She run like a Usain ball. And we go for her, because she never did not go come, because she not look here one thing, you know, she love her family, you know. She don't want nobody ramp with her and take her away from her people, them. So like threatening where she a here. She think like, say, yo, because now make CDA sound like them a monster. When make CDA sound like CDA a monster. Unless you do something wrong or them a investigate you no long and them call you and want you and do what they say for do. That's how the thing work. Because them a go call you and talk to you. So unless we ignore them or we not do the right thing, so we get in a problem, bro. That's something what me used to, me know about it. But because people put in her head say CD I go take her away, but here them come, she run.
It's true. A lot. Then what Owie me make Owie put on bonnet for Munchkin. I tell us that they know what they might do. Me never talk it say Munchkin here one come and the boy refused to carry her to his mother or his sister or one of Nisha family them. Me never tell her no Munchkin I do live in a bonnet. Munchkin fast growing man. CDA can't recognize she. Me now ask you, how you determined to use the baby doing in the public? You determined, he's a determined lazy boy. You determined, man. You run go put on bonnet on the baby head. You know what you do. You know what you do. You know what you're doing. Yeah, you know what you're doing. You know, so me see your card. Me see you play. You know if anybody no see you play, me see you play. Yeah. So when you want to sit down and fool everybody, you can't fool me. What you mean that Munchkin, please? Munchkin, of course. Yeah. You run go put on bonnet on the baby. You know what you're doing. You know exactly what you're doing. You know what I say, I'm correct. That's the only reason why you would do that. And it's not the first you've been doing it. Because I meet till they tidy up the house. And me, they tell you to tidy up the house before you move, and so said, so done. You know exactly what you're doing. He knows. This is the wickedness, the wickedness, the wickedness. Run a paint. You run go put on bonnet on the baby. Instead of removing the baby from the life. You want monetize the baby. So we talk about the hair. You run go bonnet it. Go get it fixed. Exactly amazing. What go and take care? Go get the baby. Only if I take care of the youth them. Me not have none in a dog me have. A dog me have. Me not have none. Me is a little white girl. A dog me invest in. Yeah. You make sure, and then you come with your puppy face, but you know exactly, it's wickedness. That's why God is not moved by our emotions. When you say, Lord, but me did feed the hungry, me did heal the sick, me did raise the dead, him said, depart from me, I know you not. Because everything was for self-gratification. Una ring up the people them future in a phone reality. Phone reality. If there's a car for your little baby, that your little baby should bust a sweat and work and earn in a life when she reach 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, you damage that. You damage that. You see? We all can say we're going to will this. Some will are crosses. Mother or father are blessed is the child that have his own. May always hear old people say that. Everyone on a ring out on a picnic future in our own present for our own satisfaction. It's a hard thing to think about, you know, because we're uneducated. All of you know exactly. I never see a sense of sacrifice. I never see a farmer sacrifice like this. That becomes a norm. You see, the funny thing about life is that a lot of us will look at it as how I'm saying it. But just let me draw a future reference, or let me draw reference of old, I should say. To make, when I tell you say, what they might do with these babies on the internet, is that these babies won't have any future for themselves. You understand me? Because they might use every single success that should reach them. They might use it now. Hear why I say so. No, for one believe me. I wanna do those who don't understand, it's okay to say, Shebi, me really not agree because me not understand. You understand me? What are you talking about? Someone wants to say all of who don't understand. When me I try to say. Me just want to say because I want to be fair. Me just want to say if anybody don't understand what I'm saying. When I say them I ring out them picnic future. I just want to see some. I understand. I want to see somebody who. I know you have some people who love talk. Alright, hear what I say. Hear what I say. When you say, Shebada don't understand what you're talking about. How much people you hear say, yes, my pastor has enough auntie, granny, mother, father, sister, uncle, brother, niece, nephew tell me say, me couldn't make it in a life and me wouldn't make it in a life. How much? How much people here say that? How much people here say them family member wash them out pan them and them overcome? How many? A lot don't. Good. So what am I saying so different from what they are doing? When you ring out your picnic from early, when you use your picnic as a sacrifice onto cash, your picnic has no future. Your picnic has no future. They got no future. All because of the parent. So, when the baby grow up now and develop some form of hatred for you, and you say, but me take care of you. No, you did not. You did not. But you see, when you engulf in such negativity, when you don't realize that it's hard for you guys to even see the positive, much less to be positive. When you realize that all no upon the app, you know, we foster so much unnecessary stuff on the app, like Annie taking Aki walk to station when you know say Zoe. Why are we following up Zoe and Annie's story when we all know the whole of Annie picking them a dog and sorcerer? Sadly to say, but it's just the truth. Them a dog and sorcerer. You never know. All because Annie tried to pick them in a dirty lifestyle and dampen them future. See Anna there. See Anna there. If CDA did a work in any time, Annie wouldn't have any chicks on her. All would be taken. All of them would be raptured. But you see, all of us sit on the internet and we foster so much things. When Rosalie children then become Jakes, Shev and Rosalie. When the taking of the children become Jakes, Rosalie and Shev. When? We're still not talking every time Rosalie turn on her live. You find 2,000 people over there. All for carelessness. No one concerned about the kids. So you just engulf in some nastiness. Rosalie ain't going anywhere in life. And she's dragging you with her. The people them gonna grow themselves because obviously them gonna grow themselves. And nobody from Jakes go right down. Nobody not working. Everybody at work for fame. It doesn't move Rosalie that the rumor out there say Wilbert gone. It doesn't remind Rosalie of her 2 kids. It doesn't. All Rosalie want is strength. And always bear in mind what Rosalie and Diamond say. We're going to create chaos on the app. Understand the devil. We're going to create chaos on the app. They are going to drain on a spirit. Because they don't have nothing positive to offer. Then they are going to come and say, we offer positivity. We'll sit down. And nothing about them was positive. Everything was a ruse. Nobody now look on it that way there. From Diamond and Rosalie say them will cause havoc. Me say I never see 1 week of chaos so yet. No, Jay, it's true. 1 week of chaos. And Rosalie still around the wave, not realizing that you lost 2. Just like that. Then you know she say everything normalized. Everything normalized. Every single thing normalized. So when you tell me, say when most of these children are abused by stepfathers, uncle, brothers, whomever, parents don't feel anywhere. It is so easy for somebody to come and take your belly pain and you just relax. So it's a lie from the pit of hell. It's a lie. So now you know enough parents attack. So you see Anya carry Aki walk that station, but Zoe, police lock up Annie. Annie is a wicked dirty girl. He's a wicked dirty drunk or somebody for spitting at your stinking mouth. I don't know could live at Franklin Town, you know. Because Annie all when you and nobody down the door related. You could live at Franklin Town all when the argument you have to do with nobody. Me know say one away come on a station, come spitting in your face in front of the police if I even me. If it's even me. Me not lie, me just see jog up on the road that pass all my gate and give him a 2 before for no reason at all and the shop you send him. A shop you send him in and me just go up on my friend. Cause you know me not have nothing to do really. And me just see him and the ignorance will come up in and me just give him a rotted lick. One lick. And when you come and run up your mouth, me just hurt up the odor way in your gum. No, auntie Daphne, them think a joke. You see, it's easy. Let me tell you this. This is some ghetto, like our ghetto. It is so easy when you and somebody genuinely have a quarrel. Them can beat you up in the quarrel, and them can beat you up all for the fight. Because that's just a quarrel. But you see, if you do things like them, yeah, Annie. You see, if you do things like them, yeah. A girl will just jump up and buy the warrior. She have money all of a sudden. I could have gambling money. She said, hey, sell me this. Aki Walk selling. I mean, I defend Aki Walk, you know. Don't think I'm defending Aki Walk. What I'm saying is the carelessness of Annie and now she wants to report. Meaning that if Annie walk out and tell so much lie on people, what's so, we should have believed this. Annie not have no story station. Annie not have no right to get. Annie not have no right to get. Me a police and me see Annie come and make she suck off the button. You don't believe me? Me shove it in her mouth. Me no want hear nothing from Annie and Rosalie. Nothing. Uno come like this, uno. Why me I tell you, Jesus, Jesus, how I trust him. Why me not lie, they not fight for nothing again. Nothing at all. And I should have known. I should have known. No, it's not funny about Bon. It's not funny carry on about Bon. It's not funny and them suck me while them continue doing the things that them do. So till it start affecting the future generation. You are come about Bon like it's funny. It's not funny. The child have 2 picnic we gone. The picnic not even learn for so good yet them gone. And she alone out here so good. It's not funny. One can't take everything, make joke. One can't laugh. These are the same set of people we come and talk about. Shebada don't like picnic because him can't have picnic. Shebada eat woman. Shebada this, Shebada that. And them same people they come and talk all sort of things. Me hear Annie come and Annie say, the one Shebada him eat woman and him eat this. And Annie talk all sort of something. Only for she sell out the whole of the girl picnic them. Only for she sell and give away. Anything we can't sell, she give away. You never know. And you're the only. Watch here. Yeah. Volande. Yeah, what you say? Yeah. Yeah, and you try get it, you know? Oh. You try get it. I mean, I have no tough crackers. Lad, you know everything we want to do. You know everything we want. Yeah. Alright. Okay. I can still hear. All over here. Yeah, man, I stress him out, man, for true. Sometimes he can't bother with me. Sometimes he can't bother with me for true. Cost me. I'm a driver, cost me too. All of the beer them cost me. All of them. Them angle me. For true, you know, when think I joke me I make. That latte, that are the only thing. That are the only thing save me latte. That are the only thing. Them cost me. Why you not gonna do it yourself? Why you not gonna do it yourself? Them cost me. Just because I'm lazy. Yeah, back to the matter, and somebody tell me stay focused. You're there for your lunchtime. Eh? You're there for your lunchtime. On the lunchtime, on the depot. Do not tell me stay focused like we not have to in a rush. Wait up, low man. Come suck out my dirty blood finger. Back to the matter at hand now. Yeah. Yes, 30 minutes break. Yeah, security. But anyways, moving right along now, back to the matter at hand now. Police still up them up for true. Rosalie and Annie are the two nastiest dirty woman, dirty mother them. You see, people as the police CDA target. TikTokers, rankers. If CDA don't target we, others can't say for fall in line. Remember everybody will come up and behave like Rosalie. Remember everybody will come up and behave like Annie. Remember. Annie will like everybody not do the family. Then you think we just TikTok police around them. Then you the things that you alone TikTok. Annie, how you feel? Knowing say you're on competition with your daughter then because you're not willing to stay there your age, you know. You're not willing to stay there your age. Our diamond motivate you, who report my life, you know, go suck on a mother and it's still like a prisoner, Owie. Now stop talking about them. Owie put on bonnet on the baby ear. Simple means so we may talk at you. Our always still a put on bonnet on the baby ear. When me attack is true. Me and a Nisha family. When you can't call down this. Here. Me and a Nisha family. How we a walk a hustle. So when me talk. Coolly use theme baby to pan the app and how we a follow. Wanna see it? Wanna see say a follow fashion? Yeah. I them want. No orange. Yeah. Yeah. All of them use them picnic. You see if Rosalie didn't make money off of Shanta Barbar, trust me, she have fight harder this morning. But you see, because she only use them for throw one panche, that is the only reason. No man. Yeah. Me I look on country style right now. Me I look on country style right now. Me I look on Courtney. A country me I look on. You understand? No. Yeah. You can't get me too same. Yeah. Yeah, all of them. Me, I gotta be the one for calling her out. Honestly, me, I gotta always be the one for calling her out. Of course, Jakes losing focus until the Swiss Laila invite him a party one still in Cabana. Yeah. Them lose them focus. The hype of the app. Rosalie, she's still because Jakes, let me say anybody who they are yard there. Where I whisper in a Jake's ears. Oh, for treat Rosalie. Big up on herself. Big up on her damn self. Because we urge Rosalie should go home and Jake's is not the same man. You see some of we girl, we take man for granted. You see me no honestly not listen to Rosalie, you know? You know me no honestly not listen to Rosalie. Picture a girl a class. I smell like sugar burn. I don't have nothing on the fire. I don't cook long time. I'm gonna put on the meat. Yeah. You see enough for uno? Picture yourself. A girl a class, phone a son, a phone a brother. Say him have to wash her drawers then. You see my mother always tell me this. It's not how you take the liberty. It's who I take the liberty.
The whole day. Send them go to school and go to uniform. I think they want to talk something things by you. But you have good blood clot for this shit. One man make a cash on the gas. I said, just who do wash your uniform? Look on the uniform, oh my, I see it, man. We get caught up in a what? We get caught up in a, you're not work, you're not working, you're stressed out, you're not, okay, I pay like you walk out to the people, you're not work, and the uniform dirty. What do I pick the color? I said, just who do wash your uniform? She don't have the uniform, all of them dirty. So where they are though? Where they are though? Wake up, put on the uniform, chamba, them send them go to school and them come from school, they drink rum, smoke weed and play a game. When drunkness take you go sleep. When you wake up in a 6 o'clock bed, wake up in a 6 o'clock bed, you're not going to cook. Sometimes you wear panty shant, the last panty put on you go wash. And then I go be me not close put on. Say father now wash. I go wash tomorrow. I there for the whole day now the shit. Don't let me open my mouth on your internet, you know. I tell you don't let me open your mouth on you on the net. Because the person that you're showing you're not really that person. Because if me the your hustle money you must kind of do. 2 and clap, no 1. We're clocking T's here. Me the player can provide the machine, the soap, and you use a wash a 42,000 for a machine. I want it in front of the dirty yard a 42,000 I pay for it.
Bedroom smell good. Lord, the bedroom smell good. Yeah, my mother always tell me this. Now for sure. If you there with a man and the man take your clothes with his clothes and dash them or sit over them and wash them, you know how sweet that feel as a woman? I wonder if someone ever get that yet. Someone a big old girl ever get that yet. I wonder if one ever know when a young boy and unno then in the yard and him take all the clothes and put them with theme clothes and go scrubs. I say me not in the life, I don't know how people look for Rosalie, but guess what? Rosalie true self a come out, you know. But I never know so them true self a show. How them real estate a show. And when I get used to it. But I never know that. And to cook for you too. You know long me look on hand and think of auntie. Lord help me just a read what me think, you know. You know, long me look on and think of auntie. People accepting that sort of behavior from her, clothe her life, makes her feel like she's doing something good. The day when Rosalie turn on her life and see 200 or 150 people for 1 hour straight, that's the day she gonna realize what she do is wrong. You don't load up a man like that. You don't load up a man like that. You don't do that. And the same reason why Owie never take Nisha clothes them and wash them up when the girl left on her sick bed. That's the same reason. That's the same reason why man don't do enough things for me. Because this is some of us so cocky girl who love to kiss and tell. Some man just grow good. Some man grow different. Not care how rough them talk and bad them go on. Them grow different. That is so outside, that's a shield. When them inside is a different thing. You don't disrespect or tear down the manhood. You don't do that. And big, you know where Rosalie no said Jakes left her. In her hole I go stink like thermocock because she forgot work dildo till she weak. Because Jakes are the only one we want Rosalie. Jakes is the only one. I want to buy a body Rosalie. All the baby father you have to buy khaki from. Oh, you never teach the man for you no child support. So oh you come to the man but you collect money for children. Go suck your mama. Sorry love her. Yeah. You're out of order. You're very out of order. And that with Uno. Look on when she want collect child support, when the picking them is no longer around. You want collect a government have them have to eat. Anything you carry a brata, a government have them have to eat. Anything you carry is brata. Just so you know. Because you no one call a spade a spade. So yeah, come for money. Come for what? Wait for come for the bathroom, go bed. I want to make the rapture of the kids them be about you and Jakes. Nobody don't care about you and Jakes because after Jakes you won't get anybody else. Nobody no feel polite walking with you. You know the Airbnb would have stink. Nobody's not lying. People keep sitting down and don't realize that these parents are sacrificing these kids. Hey, TikTok really I take some things from money, you know. TikTok I take some things after TikTok take your time. TikTok just come and take where you bring forth. TikTok I take some things me not ask you know. TikTok read some sacrifices that go on the app and when not even did know. Say I sacrifice all of them so me dog, come here. Come here, where you gone? Come me and you today. Yeah, TikTok I take some things. TikTok I bring out the truth out enough for uno. You don't have no pride, you know when the old people are going sooner after a certain incident. You don't think about that. Your mouth can bigger, you can ugly, but people admire your dignity, your morals. You never know. You don't need to compete with a girl or a boy. Shots, good enough fit you, because your teeth bad. Remember when you were teething, your teeth with sore, your teething never good. You understand me? So what you going to do? What is it that you're going to do? You're going to be little yourself. Go grab your kids. I only said one cuss me and said, nobody without picnic can talk to you. Rosalie, you remember when you said that? Shebada have no picnic so you can't tell me nothing what to do. And you claim that you're a mother. And you make CDA come take up what is yours. Nobody not beat me upon my own. Sex fight or funeral. Yeah? So make it make sense. Me tell you to say Rosalie only have the speech but she not ready. I always tell her that's why she can't sit down and say she use mind game for uno. Let me tell you something. You see that the Airbnb with Rosalie, Diamond, figure it out. Me I tell you a whole heap of uno them chat. Them class all of uno we give. Me not ask uno. Uno not have to tell me. Oh uno stupid. Me not ask uno nothing. She have a crowd lock. Yeah, people out there love her, they care what she say, what she do. Ivan, he did have that attitude there too. Remember Ivan in this one and say, oh, anything I tell the people them a do it. My people them fool listen to anything what I say. Yeah. I never me say so. Me I look for the flying object. I never me say so. Remember I saw them address so no. I never me. Remember say you know. I not even want to say it too early. I never me, all I know, me not come and I said, XYZ, a them target. A them target. Rosalie come back and say, oh, a mind game me use for enough time. Rosalie. You see how much you make them feel at themselves? You see how much phone mother spend so much money pan, take so much shit in her face. Clean how much dirty house and wash how much dirty clothes. For them dirty people here come out and say, oh, them use mind game by your mother blood, sweat and tears, which is your education. Could never work with me. Could never work with me. You mad? Could never work with me. Number one, on a 2 care. On a 2 care. And that's not a problem. On a 2 care. Yeah? And all them people I want somebody to care about them, to abuse them. Sometimes in life when you're born in a family, your mother hate you. Your mother hate you for a purpose. It's not every parent will hate you. It must be damaging to you. No, some parents have to hate you because they say them love you. You treat people like shit. And look at it today. Oh no, no love. People don't say true, them never get it, make them not know it. Anytime you don't get a thing, you try to practice what you never get. You try practice what you never get. Check bad man, none of them never ban bad, them practice badness. Yeah? Me not ask you them practice badness. So make it make sense. Anyhow, you never, a whole heap of we born in a poor family and we decide so we not stay poor. We don't know nothing about rich. Who know about richness? Who born and know about richness? Because everything we see commercialized. Who born come know about richness? But we decide say whatever richness is, it must be better than how I was born or I was grown. It must be better. Yeah, it must be better. So that me I work hard for. Yeah, that me I work for. I can't find it. Yeah. But no. Everybody keep on up and baby I get take away. Well, I'm glad Anna and Redans don't need $1. Now is the time for Anna and Redans go look at work. We're going to see how much them love each other. Yeah. Anna and Redans is so young and strong. Call center take on people without qualifications. Time for go look at work. God give a second chance of freedom. Take it and run with it. God give Rosalie a second chance of freedom. Take it and run with it. Well, and the people, take it and run with it, man. You're not too disgusting.
Device paired.
Well, and them.
Bucket. My diamond. No, you're not sitting and no bucket. You're a star. Look at the clock deal. We are dealing. Alright.
Yeah, goodbye people. Back to the matter and now. I know what for Orpan do this. I have to go cook. I have to go cook the boy I come from prison today. I have to cook. And today the boy I come from prison. You understand me? So I have to cook and the boy say I love him food. So I don't know where me I go do. I'm going to give him some fandangles because the prison I come from. So you know, so there you come from prison, you like whole heap of fandangles. My son never have a piece of puss-tail. She have a piece of puss-tail for garnish the plate. Congratulations, freedom is a most luxury doll. A long time I don't say that work coming in for other life. Every day he might come from. You know, say me go disrespect someone now. Me go block someone. Me go start block you know. Cause it's the truth. It's the truth. Back to the matter and now. Yeah, back to Anishi and our chipmunks. Yeah, back to them now. For true, it's not a lie. I who have Anya a prison, a court. I who have Anya a court. Draga. She be when you pass through Mobile Airport again, love your vibes. I know me a pass through, but I can't talk. But me go pass through, you go pass through now. When I not recognize me, because me come in one big blonde wig. One big blonde wig, big and blonde, and me go stuff my body. So me go look like my half dip. Me I look like my body did. Yeah. So they now gonna recognize me. Yeah. So anyways, come back to the matter and look, we still a chat. All of the people that have them pick up on the app. I say people who just are coming. I say from I bust it up body. I say yesterday I say we are the live with Mushkin in a banner. Now ladies and gentlemen, everybody said that the boy are mourning. We not mourning. We not mourning. We now mourn. I'm one no for uno woman realize because the owner go on the net man here to know. Man don't respect to any relationship when I'm going to know it's the boy for himself, so you better be for yourself. Man here to remember every boy you look life. Every boy you look life and when them call life I can just ride on jet ski. Yeah. So all the una go on and that no. Your lunchtime up cute you can't say never keep your company. It's true. And you see them woman you don't blame, you know, go and support the worthless man them. Me hear them upon one interview and them and say, yeah, you know, sometimes you got some boy yard, me not justify your excuse, nothing, and me not give no understanding to no girl where I come up. You know, I want some flour too. I want to pass up me and I forgot go grocery. I chew me lazy and I can't bother you, man. I'm going to make fried dumpling and I have no flour. I chew me lazy, you know. I forgot go grocery. No man, I connect to the box. You can't buy me 5 pounds of flour. Yeah. My beer must eat me. My beer have to eat me. The 15 barrel done. You know, say barrel not done. But here are no people, I'm not give them most of the flour. Me give you the flour. So me don't want weave and take it. Me give you the candy. Me give you the sugar. And what else me give you? Me give you the flour, me give you the candy, me give you the sugar, me give you the oats. Just give you all rice. All rice. Sister, we need any flour leaving this so we bring it. What's wrong with the people at F1? Come suck them. Come suck out the people in my F1 and go suck your mama. Nobody call you over your germs bag. Dash your belly. Skull in a period. Nobody call you over your fingernail in a urine. Nasty. Hi, Amy! Amy, your friend, Mina. Yeah. You come over around with the people them on the F1. Come eat us. Somebody black her for me, a girl in a laugh. Somebody black her for me. She name Alicia. Back her for me. Just black her. Now come over here, come laugh. And other piece where chat over here. Thank you very much. I'm only in simple place. I will so good this with my moderator. I will start break this with my moderator. I will name simple place. I will this. Who this? And I tell me for sure, it's who this? Who is this? Who this is my moderator? And Martin have some Japanese, Chinese, Hebrew, Latin and Greek. Anna Martin, and who this? Where Martin there? Oh, but it's a one-pound program. I can't have that program. I have to go that hypocrite. I mean, I want to come shut down my live.